Affection. Affection is a feeling of liking someone or something.
Amanda has a lot of affection for her little sister Sarah.
Agency. An agency is a business or service set up to act for others.
I went to a travel agency to help me arrange a flight home.
Ash. Ash is the gray or black powder created when something is burned.
The end of his cigar was full of ashes.
Confine. To confine something is to keep it in one place.
The elephant is confined to a cage in the zoo.
Dismiss. To dismiss something is to say it is not important.
He quickly dismissed my idea about a new project.
Erupt. To erupt is for a volcano or something to shoot a hot substance.
The volcano erupted for the first time in 10 years.
Fate. Fate is a power that causes some things to happen.
Some people believe that a person's hand can tell their fate.
Lava. Lava is the hot substance made of melted rock that shoots from volcanoes.
The red-hot lava poured from the volcano.
Miserable. If someone is miserable, they are very unhappy.
He was miserable after his dog died.
Navigate. To navigate something is to control the way it moves or goes.
She navigated the ship across the ocean.
Originate. To originate somewhere is to start there.
The idea of democracy originated in ancient Greece.
Remainder. The remainder of something is what is left.
He took a bite of the apple, then gave me the remainder of it.
Retrieve. To retrieve something is to find it and get it back.
She retrieved her mail from the mailbox.
Shallow. If something is shallow, it is not deep.
The kids were playing in the shallow water.
Slope. A slope is ground that is not flat.
The slope to the top of the mountain was very steep.
Span. To span a length of time is to last that long.
His work began in 1999. It has spanned many years since then.
Superstition. A superstition is something magical that people believe is real.
It is a superstition that Friday the 13th is an unlucky day.
Sympathy. Sympathy is a feeling of being sad for another person.
I felt sympathy for my sister, so I got her a balloon to cheer her up.
Vibrate. To vibrate is to shake very hard.
The machine made his whole body vibrate as he broke up the ground.
Wander. To wander is to walk without going to a certain place.
The boys liked to wander in the woods and look at birds.
The Magic Cup. Paul and John were brothers. They fought all the time because they both wanted to be leaders of the agency they both worked at. There was a superstition in their town about a magic cup. People said the cup was in a volcano located far away. Anyone who retrieved the cup would have their wish come true. John and Paul both wanted to find it. Then they could become the leader. They both left to find the cup. Before their trip, their mother said they should work together. They dismissed that idea. Even though their trips originated from the same house, each wanted to travel alone. They were both miserable during the trip. They had to navigate small boats across shallow rivers and climb difficult slopes. Their journey spanned many days. When they finally got close to the volcano, the ground began to vibrate and the volcano erupted. Ash filled the sky and lava covered everything. John climbed to the top of a hill to keep from getting burned. A few moments later, his brother went up the same hill. They were confined to the hill until the lava cooled down. They talked about the things they had seen while wandering around the country. They felt more sympathy and affection for each other than ever before. They decided that fate had brought them together. The next day they left to finish the remainder of the trip together. Everything seemed much easier. When they finally found the cup, they learned that it didn't make wishes come true. It was only an ordinary cup. But the trip to reach the cup taught them to work together and love each other.